So, after this engine seized up, this is what we found after I pulled out my oil filter. Look at the ring. Where's the ring? Yep, you see the ring right there? I don't know who this shit is getting married to, but let me find out. Oh, this is no ring though.
Really?
Here we go again, M156, second rebuild on its way. So engine seized up, and I thought it was the alternator. Nope. I tried cranking this, wouldn't turn back or forth. So we checking the oil filter. We found some shiny looking oil. Okay. So I guess everything is gonna come out again. So stay tuned and let's see what's good with this motor. This motherfucking bitch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm cooling. I had a feeling the engine block that I got was gonna go out in less than 6 months. So it's like, I want you guys to be my witness. Let's all see what's up with this, you know? So, I'm about to pop. What the fuck is this bitch right here? Oh shit. Do me daddy now. Oh, shit came on so slow, like, I'm gonna let it run. Oh no. If I fuck this shit up myself or not, but it's all good though. Okay, so the passenger side cylinder head is out, and I mean, come on, man, the head is good, boy. We come here, everything looking straight, no crack or whatsoever. But I'm not gonna. Right, so this is what happened. I don't know. I honestly don't know what it is, but I'm guessing it wasn't the block's fault. It probably was an electrical problem.